sa Square Mandaue aron pagsaksi sa job fair nga giduma sa PESO Mandaue. Atong tan-awon ang proseso sa usa ka aplikante kung ganahan mo join ani nga job fair. So basin pohon, ganahan mo join, at least nanoy idea unsaon. So mga adas, ubani ko ninyo, musulod na ta.
Welcome to Ma2ke TV!
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
Mga adas, sayon raman na yung pag-join na ng job fair, oy. Kay ngano, nalingaw sad ko, it's because daghan man ding nagkalain-laing kumpanya nga ni join ani nga job fair nga giduma sa PESO Mandaue na ay, let's say for example, as long as kompleto lang siguro kasi mong mga requirements, so pag-aigno pang ako lang ika-advise ninyo, since daghang kumpanya ang ni join ani job fair, pagdala mo daghang resume. Kay ngano, sa pikas nga kumpanya, feeling nimo murag qualified ka ani, o sige pass imong requirements. So pikas na pod kana pag-inom pa tanang kumpanya diri sa job fair nga ni join apply and who knows matagay ba basikat sa tanan may mutawag nimo dayon, di ba? So mga adas, with regards to the process, super sayon. So the usual kaninyo nga buhaton, just always bring with you, be ready, mo pag-aingnon pa, of course, ball pen, mga application forms, resumes, one by one pictures, mga the normal bit-bitono ninyo like kanang birth certificates, kana. So as long as naana mo tanan ana, PESO Mandaue staff, they are of course ready to help you, guide sila ninyo kung sa inyong buhaton asa mo padong, so di yun mo mawala. So, thankful kayo ta, of course, sa PESO Mandaue kay gihatagan din nila o chance aron mo cover sa ilahang job fair nga gibuhat karong adlaw. So, mga adas, don't you worry because if you need the information, amo na siyang ibutang description below. So, tanawa lang na ninyo. And if you would like to contact PESO Mandaue, it's also down below the phone number. So, anytime, you can contact them or you can visit them. Kay very accommodating kayo sila tanan. There you go mga adas, oh. As you can see, daghan kayong aplikante sa akong likod, naapa na dito sa sulod. So, as you can check, daghan kayong mga filapanan, pero carry ra na siya. Dala lang siguro mo tubig kung basi ko hamon mo, ha? Kaya medyo init-init diri ang panahon. And all of you mga adas, don't forget to always hit like, make some comments and suggestions, and of course do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, and which is www.youtube.com/Ma2ke. And this is Ada Elaine, and I would like to thank you all for watching Ma2ke TV. Bye bye.
Mga adas, I would like to invite you to visit PESO Mandaue, located at the 3rd floor, Mandaue City Sports and Cultural Complex. Na may daghan dito nga mga hirings, local and overseas. You can visit us anytime. Our phone number is 345-4952, and if you have some inquiries, just look for me. I'm Jeannette Reyes from PESO Mandaue. Mga adas!
Didn't even get to cross.